In this video, we'll be showing you how you can make up to $500 for each YouTube video you post without being monetized. And this is through promoting products, specifically through affiliate marketing. And you can promote digital products such as workshops, webinars, and trainings, or you can even do print on demand and sell products such as t-shirts and hats, depending on your niche. And affiliate marketing is basically when you promote other people's products and get a commission once they buy from your link. And you can find these affiliate products on Digistore24 and on ClickBank, and you can sign up to be an affiliate. And once you have your affiliate link, you can post it in the description of each of your videos. This way, you can take advantage of the views you get on YouTube even before getting monetized. And the best part of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to deal with customer support. You just collect the profits. And before making a YouTube channel, make sure to pick a niche that has a high CPM, so once you're monetized, you make a higher profit. This way, you profit from YouTube and from your affiliate links. And high CPM channels include relationships, psychology, health, and animals. Thanks for watching.